Authorized Economic Operator (AO) is a program administered by the World Customs Organization (WCO) safe framework of standards. The program seeks to increase the security of the global supply chain and ease the movement of legal goods. An organization involved in international trade is given AAO status and specific benefits after customs approves it as complying with supply chain security standards. Indian Customs enhances cargo security through close collaboration with the key participants in the global supply chain, including importers, exporters, logistics service providers, custodians, or terminal operators, custom brokers, and warehouse operators. The AAO program is entirely a voluntary program, which depends on the role that the business entity plays in the supply chain and its desire to benefit from having AAO status. An authorized economic operator is a business entity involved in international movement of goods, requiring compliance with provisions of the national customs law, and is approved by or on behalf of national administration in compliance with World Customs Organization (WCO) or equivalent supply chain security standards. AAO includes manufacturers, importers, exporters, brokers, carriers, consolidators, intermediaries, ports, airports, terminal operators, integrated operators, warehouses, and distributors. An entity should fulfill the following criteria for obtaining AAO status. The entity must be established in India. AAO can only be given to legal entity and not group company. Business should be involved in customs-related activity. Should have dealt with minimum 25 customs documents, either bill of entry or shipping bill in the last financial year. Any business entity that is part of the international supply chain, involved in the cross-border movement of goods, can apply for AAO status. As per the Indian AAO requirements, the applicant should have business activities for at least 3 financial years. However, in exceptional cases, on the basis of physical verification of internal controls of a newly established business entity, the AAO program manager can consider it for certification. For importers and exporters, there is a 3-tier program called AAO T1, AAO T2, and AAO T3, with the degree of benefits and compliance requirements increasing with each level. There is also a single-tier AAO program for logistics providers, custodians, or terminal operators, customs brokers, and warehouse operators who have received an AAO-LO certificate. Let's discuss each AAO structure level in brief. AAO T1 certificate is granted only to an importer or exporter without physical inspection of premises. Certificate is issued based on verification of submitted documents. High level of facilitation in import and export of consignments, thereby ensuring shorter cargo release time. Facility of direct port delivery of their import containers or direct port entry of their export containers. Only 50% of bank guarantee is required to be furnished. Facilitate expedited investigation, dispute resolution. 24/7 clearances on request at all seaports and airport. No merchant overtime fee charges need to be paid. They will not be subjected to regular transactional post-clearance audit. Instead of that, on-site post-clearance audit will be conducted once in 2 years only. ID cards to be granted to authorized personnel for hassle-free entry to custom houses, container freight stations, and inland container depots. Wherever feasible, they will get separate space earmarked in custodian premises. Email will be sent on arrival or departure. AAO T2 certificate is granted only to an importer or exporter after a physical inspection of the premises. Higher level of facilitation, that is all facilities of AEOT 1 is provided. Facility of deferred duty payment. Bank guarantee of 25% is required to be furnished. Priority in scanning and assessment. Waiver of seal verification. Facility to paste MRP stickers in their premises. Waiver from regular transactional, post-clearance audit, instead on-site PCA will be conducted once in 3 years only. Faster drawback settlement, refund initiated within 45 days. Client Relation Manager will assist in getting procedural and operational issues resolved. AEOT 3 certificate is to be granted to an importer or exporter who has held the AEOT 2 certificate for at least 2 years prior to the date of submission, or the AEOT 2 certificate for at least 2 years, and its other business partners, namely importers or exporters, logistics service providers, custodians, or terminal operators, customs brokers, and warehouse operators. All facilities of AEOT 2 is provided. AEOT 3 holds the highest level of facilitation. Reliance on self-certified copies. No bank guarantee is required to be furnished. Scanning of containers only on the basis of specific intelligence. Risk-based intervention by other departments. Refund or rebate in 30 days is initiated. AEOLO certificate is granted to economic operators, other than importers and exporters, after physical inspection of premises. It includes logistics providers, custodians, or terminal operators, customs brokers, warehouse operators. MindSync has provided a complete list of benefits provided under each category of AEOLO certificate holder. If you required AEO certification falling under any category of the AEO program, contact MindSync. We will be happy to help you. Thank you.